Let's make a jerk burger using 3 of my products: DivineKuizine Remoulade sauce, DivineKuizine Jerk Rub, and DivineKuizine Jerk Sauce. So let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so we're getting ready to make these jerk burgers, and so we're gonna use the jerk, the DivineKuizine Jerk Rub, Jerk Seasoning. It's intertwined, how you wanna say it, but we're gonna jerk them today. So this is gonna be fun. Get you some little jerk burgers. We got some peppers that's gonna go on top of them. So this is another way that you can use my jerk seasoning. So it's real simple, real easy. So I have some 80-20 ground beef. I have some McCormick steak seasoning. So I'm gonna season it with that. And then we're gonna take a pinch of salt, just a little bit of salt because the steak seasoning already has some salt. So salt, some McCormick steak seasoning, a little bit of salt, and then the secret, DivineKuizine Jerk Rub. So our jerk seasoning, our jerk rub, DivineKuizine's jerk seasoning, I'm gonna do about 2 tablespoons of it. And what you know about this, it's hot. It's hot, it has a little hint of sweetness to it, but pretty much it's hot. It's more of that authentic rub compared to our jerk sauce is more, got a sweeter twang to it, I guess you could say. And so this is good if you kind of want more of that heat or more of that authentic kind of jerk taste. This is a good one to use, and jerk can go good on, you marinate it on chicken. These burgers we're getting ready to do, seafood, or I have various recipes that you guys see on my YouTube channel, or you can go to DivineKuizine.com. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get all this well combined together, and then we're gonna set this aside, and then we're gonna jerk our peppers. Make them into balls, like you're making meatballs. Yeah, I like a good burger with some nice onions, barbecue sauce. We're gonna use the jerk sauce today. And yeah, like I said, this jerk rub is good. I made some jerk lamb chops. If you go back and you see that recipe's on my website at DivineKuizine, where we use the jerk rub on those. So this could be used various ways, but like I said, if you use it as much as you want to with what kind of heat intake that you like your food to be at. But it will give it a nice heat with a little sweet tang, but pretty much more of that heat. But it's very flavorful, and like I said, it give it a little sweet heat. That's what we'll say, a little sweet heat. Okay, y'all, so I have various peppers here. We have jalapeno peppers, we have red peppers, red onions, and color peppers. And the jalapeno, I kept the seeds in it for a little more spice. We're going to season our peppers with a pinch of salt, a pinch of seasoned pepper. And we're just gonna let those saute for a while so they kind of get al dente or a little more softened. And then we will glaze them with DivineKuizine Jerk Sauce. One of our products. We have 2 different cheeses. We have Havarti cheese and a smoked cheddar cheese. And I'm gonna flip over. So we just finished making our jerk burger, so now we're gonna assemble. So of course we're gonna use the DivineKuizine Jerk Rub, Okay, y'all, we just finished making our jerk burgers, and so now we're gonna assemble. Of course we're gonna use our DivineKuizine Remoulade sauce as the dressing, DivineKuizine Remoulade sauce as the dressing for these burgers. So this is another way. See, I'm telling you, my products are universal, and I like a lot of sauce, so I'm gonna put some sauce on the bottom burger. And this you can use as better than mayo or ranch or whatever you guys put on there. This is the secret sauce. Then we're gonna put our burger, and I use some smoked cheddar cheese I've never used before, so I'm excited to taste what that's gonna taste like. Then we have some couple dill pickles we're gonna put on here, I like pickles, so I put about 4 on here. Then we're gonna drizzle it with the DivineKuizine Jerk Sauce. Remember I said the DivineKuizine is a little spicy, but it has a hint of sweetness to it. It has some tamarind in it. So we're gonna dress it with some of the DivineKuizine Jerk Sauce. This drizzle. It's gonna be a messy burger, y'all. So, add some of our jerk peppers, y'all. We ain't losing none of these peppers now. Some of the jerk peppers. I'm just gonna use my hands, y'all, okay? They clean, they clean. So I'm gonna put, like I said, it's gonna be a messy kind of burger. Yeah. Then we're gonna take our other burger, which we use the Havarti cheese, and we're gonna put the rest of our peppers on top of that, like so. Can't get all the peppers on it, huh? Like I want to. And then, we're gonna take that other toasted bun and put some more aromatic sauce on the top bun. So we have used 3 products, the DivineKuizine Jerk Rub, DivineKuizine aromatic sauce, and DivineKuizine Jerk Sauce. And there you have it. Cannot wait to taste this burger. As you've seen that we jerked the ground beef with the DivineKuizine Jerk Sauce, or Jerk Rub rather, and then we dressed it with the DivineKuizine Jerk aromatic sauce, and then our jerk peppers, we used the DivineKuizine Jerk Sauce. So we made this with like peppers and smoked cheddar cheese, and then I had Havarti cheese. We smashed it up. Let me quit talking in this taste. It's juicy, y'all. It's a burger. That smoked cheddar, I'll get that again because it does give it a little smoky taste to it. And then I can taste the heat from like the bite in the back of, you know, when that back bite, the heat of that, excuse me, the heat of the jerk seasoning, and then the sweet heat from the jerk sauce, and then of course dress it. You don't have to use your just plain old mayo. Use that DivineKuizine aromatic sauce, nice, creamy. And it's juicy, y'all. It's juicy. And then, of course, the jerk peppers. It's a great burger. No lie. No lie. No cap. And then the pickles, give it the dillness of the pickles. I mean, it's just like an explosion of flavors all in your mouth. You got the heat, the sweet, the acidity, the creaminess, I mean, the juiciness. Perfect burger. To get this recipe and more, go to DivineKuizine.com and support your girl. Get some of these products. You got, I keep showing y'all how to use these products. You got the DivineKuizine aromatic sauce. That's the dressing. You see how we use it on the burger. You got the heat of the DivineKuizine Jerk Rub. That gives you that kick of heat. And then you got the jerk sauce where you can base stuff with, or how we used it on here is we drizzled it to give it another sweet and another depth of flavor with the colored peppers. So check out my recipes. I'm at Amazon, I'm at Atlanta Beefers Farmers Market, and I'm also on DivineKuizine.com. Love y'all, Chef Shay.